Hi, Brad from bradsautoglass.com and Backglass Slider on eBay. Today's video is on a first generation Titan power sliding rear window with the up and down style large center section. This is the replacement of the wing panels, the one to the right or to the left. So we've already got this one out, and you can see that it's laid in a bed of urethane. Yours is going to be broken, and it's going to be covered with little chips of broken glass that need to be removed. One of the easiest ways I found is Harbor Freight sells this tool for $20. You may already have one. And you take this blade and you sharpen it just on the edge facing us, leave the backside flat and take any rough edges off of it with a stone. Then taking this, you can go along and you can cut just underneath the broken glass and get it removed. You can try other methods of removal, but this is what we do in our shop. Once it's all removed, then you need to prime the surface. Let the primer dry for 5 minutes. You're going to also need to buy our urethane, which comes in our urethane kit, and you'll apply a bead. You'll start out with a small bead on the outside and then more liberal across these areas across and around here. And then what you're going to want to do before you run your urethane is to put tape up on the top. And I put a piece of tape on and loop it up and tack it to itself. So once I get this window set in the bed of urethane, I can pull that tape down easily without this sliding off on me. As you can see, our part's a perfect fit. And you just bring that tape down and it holds it in place while the glue dries. Thanks for watching. I'm Brad from bradsautoglass.com.